How to log out on Messenger or how to log out of Messenger account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of your Messenger account. Now, to get things straight, there is no any option available on Messenger itself to log out. You might have already checked it, so I'm just saying it that there is no any option to log out your account. You can either switch in between your accounts. You can switch to other accounts so that the account that you are logged in can be logged out so that you are logged in on another account. But if you just simply wish to log out, there is an option. However, what you can do is you can simply scroll down your notification bar, tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right corner. So you want to head into your device settings. From there you want to head into the option that says apps. Now under the list of apps, you want to search in for Messenger. You can simply search it from the search bar. I'll just type in real quick here and you can see Messenger. You want to tap on it and you want to head into the Messenger application info. Now here what you can do is scroll down below, tap on storage, and now you can simply tap on clear data. Now this will remove all your logged in credentials and logged in accounts, so it's basically as good as uninstalling and reinstalling the application. So once you clear data, your account will get logged out automatically. So in order to use Messenger, you'll have to log in back again. So this way you can log out Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.